Let's talk about something we all deal with: bad habits. Whether it's scrolling through social media when you should be working, biting your nails when you're stressed, or hitting that snooze button way too often, breaking these habits can feel impossible. But here's the thing: breaking a bad habit isn't just about willpower. There's actually science-backed ways to change those behaviors for good. In this video, we're diving into proven methods to finally break those habits holding you back and start building the life you want. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to old habits and hello to a better you, keep watching. There are several well-researched methods for breaking habits, each grounded in psychology and behavior change science. Here are some of the most effective methods to try. 1. The habit loop method. Cue, routine, reward. This method, popularized by Charles Duhigg in The Power of Habit, involves dissecting your habit into 3 components: cue, routine, and reward. 1. Cue. Set a consistent time each day for your workout, such as first thing in the morning or right after work. Or use a specific trigger like laying out workout clothes the night before, placing them where you'll see them first thing in the morning. 2. Routine. Engage in a form of exercise that you enjoy. For example, if you don't enjoy running, maybe try dancing, a yoga session, or a quick 20-minute home workout. Start small, like a 10-minute routine, so it feels manageable and you're less likely to skip it. 3. Reward. Immediately after exercising, give yourself a reward that reinforces the positive feeling. This could be a small treat, a few minutes of relaxing, or even just the internal feeling of accomplishment. Tracking progress in a journal can also provide motivation by showing your consistency over time. How it works. Over time, your brain begins to associate the cue, seeing the workout clothes, with the routine, working out, and it will expect the reward that comes after. Gradually, this association can help make exercise a more automatic part of your day. Starting small is key here. Psychologists suggest that taking a small step, which feels achievable, can reduce resistance and help with consistency. This principle is based on the idea that, once started, people are more likely to complete a task, building positive reinforcement with each completion. The 5-second rule created by Mel Robbins. This rule suggests that when you feel the urge to engage in a bad habit, count down from 5 to 1, and then physically or mentally shift your action. The quick countdown gives your mind a break from the automatic urge, allowing you to pause and choose a different response. Example: if you want to stop procrastinating, the moment you think about doing the task, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and immediately take the first small step toward it. 3. The replacement method research shows that replacing a habit is easier than simply stopping it. With this method, identify a healthier alternative that provides similar satisfaction. Example: if you're trying to quit smoking, you might replace cigarettes with chewing gum or take a walk whenever you get the urge to smoke. 4. Implementation intentions. If-then planning. This method involves setting specific if-then statements to guide your behavior. It's a cognitive trick that helps prepare you for specific scenarios. Example: if I feel the urge to snack after dinner, then I'll make myself a cup of tea instead. 5. Temptation. Bundling. Link a habit you want to break with one you want to build, or an activity you enjoy. Example: if you want to reduce time watching TV, only allow yourself to watch your favorite show while you're exercising or cleaning. This makes the new habit more appealing and gives you a sense of accomplishment. 6. The 21-90 rule. This method builds on the idea that it takes at least 21 days to form a habit and 90 days to make it part of your lifestyle. Commit to the new behavior for 21 days to build a foundation and aim to sustain it for 90 days to make it a true habit. Example: if you want to stop nail biting, set an initial goal to avoid it for 21 days and reward yourself when you succeed. Then, continue for 90 days to make the change stick. 7. Mindfulness-based habit reversal, MBHR. MBHR involves paying close attention to your triggers and urges without immediately acting on them. By being mindful, you become more aware of the choice you have, and you learn to observe the urge instead of following it. Example: the next time you feel the urge to snack out of boredom, practice taking a deep breath and noticing the sensation without reacting to it. Over time, this builds self-control. 8. Positive reinforcement with rewards. Rewarding yourself for progress can powerfully reinforce new habits. Example: set small rewards for milestones, like treating yourself to something nice after you've completed 1 week without the habit. Rewards should be meaningful enough to motivate, but not so extravagant that they distract. Habits become automatic, meaning we often engage in them without conscious thought. Many of these methods are designed to interrupt automatic behavior, creating space to think and make a new choice. The more we practice interrupting the automatic response, the easier it becomes to change the behavior itself. Remember, breaking bad habits doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategies and a bit of patience, you can make real progress. Start small, stay consistent, and don't forget to celebrate every little win along the way. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos to help you live your best life. And let me know in the comments, what's one habit you're working to break? I'd love to hear about it and cheer you on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.